Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to play a modded version of the game Boxing Star. So this is for iOS and Android. So as you can see, I'm not that rich, but in the mod menu we can get unlimited gold and unlimited coins. So I'm going to turn these on and let's see if it increases. So currently there's no change, but hopefully it starts increasing. So let's see what happens to our game, guys. Since I just enabled the unlimited coins and gold, we should see an uptick in them, and bang guys, as you can see it works. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. It works for iOS and Android, so if you're tired of being poor on Boxing Star, I can show you how to get a modded game. So let's get into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So the first thing we're going to do is go over to this website, which is called tweakmod.com. So this is the website, guys. So once you're here, go to the search bar, type in Boxing Star, and what I want you to do is just go ahead and press install when you see it. And this is obviously the Boxing Star mod. Now, before you download it, there is going to be one final step, which is the verification. And during this step, you have to download 2 apps, follow instructions, 100% free, and also, guys, from official app store. So I'm going to show you exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So it should be pretty easy. So I'm just going to wait for it to load here, and then we're going to have the Boxing Star mod on our device. So yeah, it's really not that hard. So as you can see, guys, we got the Apple and Android logos right there. So it does work on both of those, which is obviously very nice because a lot of people think it's only for like Android, right? Well, no, you can actually do this on iOS and Android. So as you can see, we got all the apps here and we just need to download 2 of these. So like Family Island, you got to reach level 11. It's a game, so I could do that one. Then we got like TikTok down and run for 30 seconds, Evertail down and run for 30 seconds, Color Block, you got to reach level 25. So just download 2 of the apps. There's a video to watch if you're confused, but that's how to get Boxing Star Hack for 2025. Super cool, guys. Totally works. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.